Imagine a tree that keeps feeding you for 20 years without replanting, without buying seeds, and even better than spinach. This isn't a myth. This immortal tree produces leaves, flowers, and pods packed with vitamins, protein, and minerals year after year. Most people fail because they try to grow it from seeds, but with a simple method, one tree can multiply endlessly and nourish your family for decades.
In this video, I will reveal 7 secrets that make this tree easy to grow.
Incredibly nutritious and virtually immortal.
Watch till the end, you will never look at leafy green the same way again.
Secret 1. Introduction to the immortal tree. Imagine a tree that keeps feeding you for decades without replanting. This isn't a myth. It's a real plant that produces nutrient-rich leaves, edible flowers, and sometimes pods year after year. Unlike spinach or other leafy vegetables, which need replanting every few weeks, this tree can sustain a family for 20 years or more. Its resilience in poor soils, drought, and pests makes it perfect for home gardens or small farms. Many people overlook it because they are used to buying seeds. But this tree grows naturally from cuttings, meaning you don't need to spend money on seeds. In this video, we'll explore 7 amazing secrets that make this tree better than spinach, easier to grow, and virtually immortal. Secret 2. Nutritional powerhouse. This tree is a complete nutritional powerhouse. Its leaves are packed with vitamins A, C, calcium, iron, and protein, often exceeding spinach or kale. Regular consumption strengthens immunity, improves digestion, and boosts energy naturally. The leaves can be eaten fresh, cooked like traditional greens, or dried for later use. Some varieties also produce flowers and pods that are edible and rich in minerals. Its consistent nutrient output means you have access to healthy greens year-round without the seasonal shortages of regular vegetables. Just a few leaves can replace a full serving of spinach. Imagine having a tree in your garden that nourishes your family for decades while saving money and time. Secret 3. Easy propagation without seeds. One of the strongest reasons this tree is called immortal is its ability to grow without seeds. In fact, starting this tree from seeds is slow and unreliable, which is why experienced growers avoid it. The best method is propagation through cutting. A healthy branch taken from a mature tree can be planted directly into moist soil, and within a short time it begins forming roots naturally. This process requires no special tools or chemicals. Even branches that break off during pruning or storms can be reused to grow new trees. Because the cutting comes from a mature plant, it grows faster and starts producing edible leaves much earlier than seed-grown plants. This means one tree can multiply into many trees without spending any money. Over time, a single tree can create an entire food garden. This natural ability to reproduce endlessly is what makes this tree truly self-sustaining and eliminates the need to ever buy seeds again. Secret 4. Longevity and extreme resilience. Unlike spinach and other leafy vegetables that survive only for a short season, this tree can live and produce food for 20 years or even longer. Once established, it becomes extremely resilient and requires very little care. It can tolerate drought, poor soil, and harsh weather conditions that usually destroy soft leafy crops. Even pests and diseases rarely cause serious damage. The tree develops deep roots that naturally search for water and nutrients, making it strong and stable. Heavy harvesting does not weaken the plant. Instead, it encourages new growth when done correctly. Occasional pruning actually improves leaf production and helps maintain plant health. This long lifespan makes the tree a reliable food source for families, especially in areas facing climate uncertainty or food shortages. Planting this tree is not a seasonal decision. It is a long-term investment in food security and sustainability. Secret 5. Multiple edible parts, not just leaves. This tree offers far more value than common leafy vegetables because nearly every part of it is useful. The leaves are the most popular and can be cooked like spinach, added to soups, or mixed into curries. Young shoots are tender and rich in nutrients, while flowers are edible and provide additional minerals. Some varieties also produce pods or seeds that can be cooked or dried for long-term storage. This means the tree provides food in different forms throughout the year. Beyond human consumption, the leaves can also be used as animal feed, making it extremely valuable for small farms. Fallen leaves improve soil health when used as mulch or compost. One tree supports human nutrition, animal feeding, and soil fertility at the same time. This versatility makes it one of the most efficient food plants you can grow. Secret 6. Simple care and easy harvesting. One of the biggest reasons this tree is better than spinach is how easy it is to care for. Unlike leafy vegetables that need constant watering, fertilizing, and protection, this tree grows well with very little effort once established. It adapts to different soil types and does not demand perfect conditions. Regular watering during dry weather is enough, and occasional organic compost helps boost leaf growth. But even without heavy feeding, the tree continues to thrive. Harvesting is simple and flexible. You don't need to wait for a specific season or maturity stage. Young leaves can be picked regularly, which actually encourages the tree to produce more fresh growth. Light pruning helps maintain shape and allows sunlight to reach all parts of the tree, improving overall productivity. Even if you prune heavily, the tree recovers quickly and grows back stronger. Another advantage is that harvesting does not weaken the plant. Unlike spinach, which finishes after 1 or 2 harvests, this tree responds to harvesting by producing even more leaves. There is no strict harvesting schedule. You can take leaves whenever needed for cooking. This makes it ideal for home gardens, busy people, and beginners. With minimal care and simple harvesting, this tree provides a steady supply of nutritious food throughout the year. Secret 7. Why you should never buy seeds. Many people make the mistake of trying to grow this tree from seeds, but buying seeds is completely unnecessary. Seeds often have low germination rates, take longer to grow, and produce weaker plants compared to other methods. Experienced growers know that the best way to grow this tree is through cuttings. A cutting taken from a healthy, mature tree already has the strength and genetics needed for fast growth and high productivity. When planted in moist soil, a cutting quickly develops roots and starts growing without special treatment. This method guarantees success and saves months of waiting. One mature tree can provide countless cuttings over many years, allowing you to grow multiple trees without spending any money. This makes the plant self-replicating and truly sustainable. Another benefit of cuttings is consistency. The new plant will have the same nutritional quality, growth speed, and resilience as the parent tree. By avoiding seeds, you eliminate uncertainty and get faster results. This is why this tree is called immortal. Once you have one healthy tree, you have a lifetime food source that can multiply endlessly and feed generations without ever buying seeds again.
If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more real gardening secret. Comments below if you want a full video on how to take perfect cutting step by step. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.